Now we are going to do a problem based on the angle between the two vectors. Here in the problem they gave two vectors, one is known as A, the other one is known as B, and the angle between the two vectors A and B, they gave it as 60 degrees. And now by taking that one into consideration, you are asked to find the angle between A vector and minus B vector. Second one is the angle between minus A vector and minus B vector. Third one is angle between 3A vector and 2B vector. Now we'll take the first one, that is angle between A vector and minus B vector. So first we'll take angle between A vector and B vector is equals to, we'll write it as pi minus of angle between A comma B. Here the formula for A vector and minus B vector shows that they have a difference of 180 degrees. So we'll write pi minus A comma B, that is angle between A comma B. So pi is known as 180 degrees minus angle between the two vectors A comma B is equals to 60 degrees. So 180 minus 60, it gives a value of how much? 120 degrees. If we express in terms of radians, this can be written as 2 pi by 3 radians. Now coming to the second one, that is angle between minus A and as well as minus B. We have a formula, the formula is minus A comma minus B is equals to the angle between minus A comma minus B is equals to angle between A comma B. And in the question he gave angle between A comma B as 60 degrees. So here the answer will become so much 60 degrees. Therefore angle between the two vectors minus A minus B is equals to again 60 degrees. Now coming to the third one, that is 3A vector and 2B vector angle. Here by seeing this third problem, we can use the formula, that is angle between MA vector and NB vector is equals to, it is again the angle between A vector and B vector. Here M and N are scalars. So MA vector and B vector, how much angle they are going to exhibit? The same angle that can be existing between the two vectors A and B. So 3A vector and 2B vector angle can be written as equal to the angle between A comma B, that is equals to how much it is? 60 degrees. So the angle between 3A vector and 2B vector is equals to 60 degrees.